your brakes could randomly fail without warning. It happened to me and I rear-ended an SUV and severely injured my neck. I'm not sure if this is a Mercedes exclusive issue, so regardless if you have any car, like any modern car, you should listen to this. This is specifically a 2019 Mercedes C43 AMG. If you have the same car or a similar car, please let me know in the comments if you have experienced any like brake issues or anything similar. So what happened was the brakes just randomly failed, but the reason why they randomly failed is allegedly the brake booster. And I say allegedly because a mechanic hasn't ripped apart the car and like fully confirmed it yet, but he will be looking at that. I did bring it up to him. The reason I'm saying this is whenever I press the brake, when I release the brake, there's like a hissing noise. I don't remember if I heard that before the accident. I don't think I did, but the brakes just randomly failing is a rare symptom of a failing brake booster. It did say that like some things could make it fail, like if it got corroded or wet or if it's just, you know, really old. But this is a 2019 with 115,000 miles on it, and don't get me wrong, 115,000 is a little bit on the higher side for a 2019, but it's still a 2019 Mercedes that MSRP for about $70,000. Like, you're telling me for $70,000 my brake booster should go out 115K? Why should my brakes randomly fail like that? As of right now, I don't know if there's any like specific reason why. And I don't think I'll ever find a reason why. I don't think there is a reason why. I think it really is a true random sudden brake failure that's gonna get you in a very bad situation. So if you have a car that has a brake booster, and I looked it up, and apparently most modern cars, if not all modern cars, has a brake booster of some sort. Get it checked out. You know, if you have a higher mileage car, replace it, something like that. Make sure you're good. If you're experiencing any problems with your brakes, from a hissing noise to a harder or stiff pedal, or like longer stopping distance than usual, like randomly, like any problems with your brakes could be your brake booster, and you should definitely get that checked out and potentially not even drive the car anymore. Me personally, I'm still driving the car. Like, I drove it here. I've been daily driving this car since the accident, since I got this car, besides that 1 month when it was down. But the reason why I'm daily driving this car over my Honda is because my Honda is super low to the ground, and my neck actually hurts so much, and it's so sensitive to the point that riding in a car that's that much bumpier than the Mercedes is gonna cause me a lot of pain. Like, I've already driven it once recently to record a couple skits. I literally only drove for maybe a half an hour or so, maybe 45 minutes tops in total, and my neck was on fire. Like, it was terrible. Like, driving the Honda is very difficult. So I'm kind of risking it with the Mercedes. It's kind of weird though, because like, it's having the hissing noise. You probably can't hear it right here with my mic, but the brakes still work. Like, as of right now, I'm still able to stop fine. Everything functions fine for the most part. It making the hissing noise is making me concerned of it potentially failing again. So if anyone is watching this video that knows more about this topic than me, please let us know in the comments and share that knowledge. On screen is a POV drive in my AMG before I crashed it.